Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for an excellent economical commuter car? This one's it. This is the 2018 the Ford Focus. Stock number is 7042. We're going to show you this vehicle up close and personal on your virtual video walk around. Showing you the exterior condition first. Then we're going to take you and put you inside the interior. This vehicle comes equipped, of course, with warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Now let's take a look at the interior. Nice ample rear space in the back. Traveling with friends or family, I find it's a comfortable ride. Now taking a look at the front interior. Automatic transmission and absolutely flawless. This vehicle only has 16,000 miles. It has the moonroof. And one more shot of the interior here. Impeccable condition. For more information on this Focus or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Or better yet, come on down and see us in person. We look forward to meeting you. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. It's been kind of a cool virtual video walk around on this Focus. Hope you have a great day. Take care.